we need data where the job is clerk and salesman, we can not write query the way in the given way as downward. So if you want to work out on a specific column, like just say job, in which we have salesman, we have manager, we have clerk, we have analyst, and we have president. So if you want to select multiple elements from the particular given job, you can use different commands. So let's say first select asterisk from employee where job is equal to clerk and job is equal to salesman. So when we execute this command, we got this type of data that is not correct in the case. Okay, if you want to properly work out on the given command, so you have to just use OR operator in place of AND operator, because we just want to select the person whose job is clerk or salesman. So it will give you the data like this, as you see. So this is the right way of writing SQL command. So we just use in place of AND, we just use OR operator. So as you see, select asterisk from employee where job is equal to clerk or job is equal to salesman. Or furthermore, if you want to select more jobs, or job is equal to manager. So in this case, you have to just check, you have to put the value of clerk same as it present in your data. So clerk is in capital, so you have to put clerk in capital, salesman is in capital. So when you execute this command, complete command, managers are also there in this. So next, the name of those employees that are not managers nor salesman and have a salary greater than or equal to 2000. Basically in this case, you just require manager in the place of manager, because not manager nor salesman. So we just have 3 left jobs, that are president, analyst and clerk. So we have to just find out these jobs and having salary greater than or equal to 2000, जिनकी salary, whose salary is greater than 2000. So we have a command select asterisk from employee where job not equal to manager and job not equal to salesman and salary greater than 2000. Okay, so using this we got King, Scott, Ford, and there is the data, and the King is the president whose salary is 5000, and the Scott and Ford, these two are analysts. There is no clerk whose salary is greater than 2000. Okay, so using this you can execute the given command. So now you can also use, like we have another command, select ename hire date department number from employee where department number is 20 and or department number is 30. You can select multiple departments in a single column using in command also. Over here we have different operator, that is in. So if you want to, you can use this command also, and the most appropriate command is using in the next slide we can check that. So over here we just find out the data of the persons from the department number 20 and department number 30. So over here the use of in command, it is replacing multiple ors, okay, or multiple lines. So select ename hire date department number from employee where department number is 2030 you can select as number multiple selections in between parentheses. Okay, if you want to select multiple like DEPT number from 10, 20, 30, etc. Okay, so it will give you the data. So over here in this case we have e-name, hire date and department number. We are not interested in complete data. If you are interested in complete data, just use asterisk in place of these three. Okay, so over here we have the data from department number 20 and department number 30. So next, not in command. Earlier we just discussed about in command. Now we are interested in not in. It will help us get the data other than the names mentioned inside in. So basically, if you are interested in another data, like this command will execute like this, like select ename, hire date, department number from employee where department number not in 2030. So basically it will give the rest data that is belongs to department number 10. So we got this, or you can say in place of this you can also execute this one, department number in 30, or you without in command you can also execute department number equal to 10, department number is equal to 10. Both will give you the same type of data. Okay, all these three commands are same. So next, select ename, hire date from employee where ename in Ford, Smith, Allen, Ward, Martin. So this is the wrong way of executing the or selection the data. Like over here we use multiple or commands. You can use in command in place of or command and you will get the data, but this and this will provide you the same data. So over here we are interested in Ford, Smith, Allen, Ward and Martin data. Like we just require their employee name and their hire date. So this is the correct way using in command. Next, select ename, hire date from employee where employee name in Ford, Smith, Allen, Ward, Martin. As already we just discussed about this data, you can execute in single line also, as you see over here. The name should be same as present in data. If it is in small FORD, it will give some error. Okay, or it will show you false data. So select ename, hire date from employee not in command. If you are interested in another person except these five, so we got data of Black, Clark, Jones, Scott, you just use not in command in that case. Okay, now we have another operator between. You can use between operator also. So over here the select, enable, hire date, department number, these are the three constraints in which we are interested from employee where hire date between this date and this date. You just put in the column common single colons, so it will provide you the data in between these dates. Okay, we are interested in the particular hire dates. Okay, so the dates between this 17 December 1980 and 3 December 1981. In between the hiring are for King, Black, Clark, Jones, Ford, Smith, Allen. So you can use between command. Okay, so as you see, so next we have not between. select asterisk from employee where salary not between 950 and 600. Okay, you can use also this. So over here we got the data, like it will cut out, like if we have a data in ascending order from 800, 900, 110, 1500, 1600. If you want to cut out some specific data, you can cut using not between. Okay, this is the not between operator. So next we have is command, is operator. So select asterisk from employee where commission is null. You can use null or 0. Okay, where commission is equal to 0. So over here select asterisk from employee where commission is null, null. You just put null. It is the SQL command, so you need not to put in asterisk, or you can use COMM is equal to 0. Both will give you the same data where commission is 0. Next is not. Select asterisk from employee where commission is not null. So you can use select asterisk from employee where commission is not null, or you can say commission is not equal to 0. You can use this also. So over here in this case, as you see, Turner commission is 0, but in case of null we have commission like this. Null data is represented by using this. So you can use these commands for your commission data. So if you want to the data that those person who get any commission, in that case you just put this command where commission is not null and commission equal to 0. It will remove this data also. Okay, in that case you just got 300, 500 and 1400. In that case only 3 data are there. Okay, so this is how you can use is not, between not commands. Or so next we have a query that returns those employee that don't make any commission and have a salary greater than 100 but less than 500. Exclude those employees that have a salary equal to 3000. Okay, so in that case we have first command. We are just interested in employee name, his salary and his commission. So the command is select ename salary sal commission comm from employee where first condition is salary is less than 2500. So in this case salary less than 5000. The command should be like salary should be less than 500 and salary should be greater than 1100. Okay, here is some mistake inside it, and salary not equal to 3000 as given in this case, and commission is null, and second is or, because we are working on the same column, or commission is equal to 0. If you are working on same column you just use operator or. Okay, and in multiple columns just use and command. Okay, so using this we got this data Clark, Turner, Miller. So over here we just got the data equal to 0. If you use over here and, in that case it is eliminated. Right now it is included because commission is null, or because or operator will give you output when anyone is true. Okay, so over here it is the or gate output when a b is there 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. In this case we got this output. So like this, if you want to eliminate this data also, so in that case you just use AND operator over here, and it will provide you Clark and Miller only. Okay.